Astronomy is the science that studies everything in outer space. Stars, which are huge balls of burning gas, are among the most fascinating objects astronomers study. A star's life begins in a nebula, a cloud of gas and dust. Gravity pulls the nebula together, forming a new star, a process called star formation. This young star is called a protostar. As it matures, it enters a stable period where it shines by burning hydrogen into helium, known as the main sequence phase. Eventually, the star exhausts its hydrogen fuel. What happens next depends on the star's size. Smaller stars become white dwarfs, while larger ones may explode in a brilliant supernova, leaving behind a neutron star or black hole. Thus, the life cycle of a star is a captivating journey from birth to death.
Galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, and dust, often described as star cities. Our own galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions in the universe. Galaxies come in different shapes: spiral, like the Milky Way, with swirling arms; elliptical, which are rounder and more spread out; and irregular, which have no specific shape. The life of a galaxy begins with the gravitational collapse of a cloud of gas and dust, leading to the formation of stars. Over billions of years, galaxies can grow by merging with others, creating even larger galaxies. Studying galaxies helps us understand the history of the universe, the formation of stars, and the distribution of matter in space. This field of astronomy is not only about observing light from galaxies but also about exploring the mysteries of dark matter and black holes that influence galaxy structure and evolution.
Astronomy is the science that studies everything beyond Earth's atmosphere, including stars, planets, and galaxies. One of the most fascinating topics in astronomy is the Big Bang theory. This theory explains how the universe began from a very small, hot, and dense point about 13.8 billion years ago. Since then, the universe has been expanding, meaning it is getting larger and the galaxies are moving away from each other. This expansion was discovered by observing the redshift in the light from distant galaxies. Redshift occurs when light stretches out, making it look redder, similar to how the sound of a siren changes as it moves away. By studying these and other phenomena, astronomers can understand the history and scale of our universe, helping us find our place in the cosmos.
Telescopes are powerful tools that allow us to explore stars and galaxies far beyond our own solar system. By capturing light from distant celestial bodies, telescopes help astronomers understand the universe's vastness and complexity. There are two main types of telescopes: refracting and reflecting. Refracting telescopes use lenses to bend light, while reflecting telescopes use mirrors to gather and focus light. With these instruments, scientists have discovered countless stars, observed the detailed structure of galaxies, and even detected planets around other stars. Each new discovery helps us learn more about how stars are born, live, and die. Telescopes also play a crucial role in studying phenomena like black holes and neutron stars, revealing the mysterious forces that govern the universe.
Since ancient times, people have looked up at the night sky and seen patterns in the stars. These patterns are called constellations. Each constellation is like a dot-to-dot puzzle where we imagine lines connecting the stars to form shapes. Different cultures have different constellations and stories about them. For example, the Big Dipper is part of a larger constellation called Ursa Major, or the Great Bear. Constellations were used for navigation and to track the seasons. Today, astronomers use constellations to divide the sky into different sections to help them study the stars more easily. By learning about constellations, we can understand how our ancestors saw the world and how modern science has evolved.
Welcome to the fascinating world of astronomy, where we explore the vast universe and its mysteries. Astronomy is the science that studies everything beyond our Earth, including stars, planets, and galaxies. One important measure we use is the light year, which is the distance light travels in 1 year. It's about 9.46 trillion kilometers. This helps us understand how far away celestial objects are. Through telescopes, both on the ground and in space, astronomers gather light from these distant objects to learn about their composition, movement, and history. By studying different types of light, such as visible light, infrared, and ultraviolet, we can get a complete picture of the universe. Join us on this adventure to unlock the secrets of the cosmos.
Black holes are mysterious objects in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. They form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycle. Around a black hole is a boundary called the event horizon. If anything crosses this line, it cannot come back. The center of a black hole is called the singularity, where gravity is infinitely strong. Black holes can be detected by the effects they have on nearby stars and gas. They are important for understanding the universe because they affect galaxies and the distribution of stars. Scientists study black holes to learn more about gravity and the fundamental laws of physics. Despite their name, black holes are not actually holes but rather incredibly dense points in space.
Neutrino stars are fascinating celestial objects in the universe, made almost entirely of neutrinos. Neutrinos are tiny, ghost-like particles that barely interact with normal matter. They are so elusive that billions pass through us every second without us noticing. Unlike normal stars, which shine brightly due to nuclear fusion, neutrino stars do not emit light in the same way, making them incredibly difficult to detect. Scientists believe studying these stars could reveal new insights about the fundamental forces of nature and the early moments of the universe. Neutrino stars could also help us understand mysterious dark matter, as they are thought to influence its behavior. Exploring these stars pushes the boundaries of our knowledge and technology in exciting ways.
Stars are like cosmic factories, creating almost all the elements in the universe. When we look at stars, we can use a method called spectral analysis to understand what they are made of. This technique involves studying the light that stars emit. Light from stars can be spread into a spectrum, similar to how a prism spreads sunlight into a rainbow. Each element in a star produces a unique set of lines in this spectrum, known as absorption lines. By examining these lines, scientists can identify the elements present in a star and learn about its composition. This process helps astronomers discover how stars live, change, and eventually die. It also provides clues about the origins of planets and life itself.
When we look at the night sky, we see stars and galaxies that are very far away. But there is an even older light in the universe called the cosmic microwave background, CMB. This light is a kind of echo from the time when the universe was very young, only 380,000 years old.
The CMB is very important because it helps scientists understand more about the Big Bang, the massive explosion that started the universe. This light is not visible to our eyes but can be detected with special instruments. The CMB is almost the same everywhere, but it has tiny differences in temperature. These small differences give clues about how the universe began and how it has grown over billions of years. Studying the CMB helps us learn the history of the universe.
Quasars are incredibly bright objects found in the centers of some distant galaxies. They are powered by supermassive black holes, which are areas in space where gravity pulls so strongly that not even light can escape. As matter falls into these black holes, it heats up and releases a huge amount of energy, making quasars the most luminous objects in the universe. Quasars are important for astronomers because they help us understand the early universe. They can outshine entire galaxies, and their light can be seen across great distances. This makes them useful as cosmic lighthouses to explore the distant universe. Studying quasars helps scientists learn more about galaxy formation and the role of black holes in the universe.
Welcome to the fascinating world of astronomy, where we explore the mysteries of planets and their incredible features. Planets are large celestial bodies orbiting stars, like our Earth orbits the Sun. In our solar system, there are 8 planets, each with unique characteristics. For example, Mars is known for its red color and is often called the Red Planet. Jupiter, the largest planet, has a famous storm called the Great Red Spot. By studying planets, astronomers use telescopes to look at their surfaces and atmospheres. This helps us understand not only our planet better but also the possibilities of life elsewhere in the universe. Join us on this adventure to discover the wonders of planets and maybe even imagine traveling to them one day.
Satellites are objects that orbit around planets, including Earth. There are 2 types of satellites, natural and artificial. The Moon is a natural satellite of Earth, while artificial satellites are made by humans. These artificial satellites serve many purposes such as communication, weather forecasting, and scientific research. They travel in space around Earth at high speeds, completing orbits in just a few hours. To stay in orbit, satellites must balance the pull of Earth's gravity with their forward motion. This concept is similar to throwing a ball so fast that it keeps missing the ground as it falls. Satellites are crucial for GPS systems, television broadcasts, and studying the environment. Understanding satellites helps us better connect and explore our world and beyond.
Welcome to the fascinating world of astronomy, where we explore the universe and its mysteries. Today, let's dive into gravitational waves and relativity, key concepts that have revolutionized our understanding of space and time. Gravitational waves are ripples in space-time, created when massive objects like black holes collide. These waves travel across the universe, carrying information about their origins. Relativity, introduced by Albert Einstein, includes theories that describe how time and space are interconnected. The theory of general relativity explains how gravity is not just a force but the bending of spacetime by mass. Understanding these ideas helps us see the universe in a new way, revealing the dynamic and interconnected nature of cosmic events. Join us on this adventure to uncover the secrets of the cosmos.
Have you ever wondered if there are other planets like Earth in the universe? These distant planets are called exoplanets, and they orbit stars outside our solar system. Astronomers use powerful telescopes to find these hidden worlds. One method they use is the transit method, where they watch a star dim slightly when a planet passes in front of it. Another way is the radial velocity method, which detects tiny wobbles in a star caused by the gravitational pull of an orbiting planet. Studying exoplanets helps us understand more about our own planet and the possibility of life elsewhere. Each discovery brings us closer to answering the big question, are we alone in the universe?